Good morning, class. Question number 13. ABCD is a parallelogram and APQ is a straight line meeting BC at P and DC at Q. Prove that rectangle obtained by BP and DQ is equal to rectangle obtained by AB and AD. Now, firstly we draw the diagram of the question. Given that ABCD is a parallelogram, APQ is a straight line meeting BC at P and produced DC at Q. Let it is point Q and it is point P. Now we have to prove that the rectangle obtained by BP and DQ is equal to rectangle obtained by AB and AD. बट यहाँ AB और AD और BP और DQ से कोई रेक्टेंगल तो बन नहीं रहा। तो इस क्वेश्चन का कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो भी रेक्टेंगल BP और DQ साइड को लेकर फॉर्म होगा, मीन्स एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल made by side BP and DQ. Area of rectangle made by side BP and DQ means length into breadth. It is area of rectangle made by side BP and DQ. If length is BP and breadth is DQ, then area is BP into DQ is equal to the area of rectangle made by side AB and AD. Means AB is length, AD is breadth, then it is AB into AD. We have to find this relation. Means BP into DQ is equal AB into AD. Now, given ABCD is a parallelogram and APQ is a straight line intersect BC at P and produced DC at Q. Now in triangle to prove BP into DQ means area of rectangle formed by side BP and DQ is equal to AB into AD. Now proof. In triangle ABP and triangle CPQ, we have angle A is equal to angle Q, alternate angle, because DQ is parallel to AB. Angle B is equal to angle C, it is also alternate angle because DC is parallel to AB, and vertically opposite angles P are also equal. Means in triangle ABP and CPQ we have BAP is equal PQ PQC, angle ABP is equal angle QCP alternate angle, and angle APB is equal to CPQ. It is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Then triangle APP is similar to triangle एंगल ए किसके इक्वल है, क्यू के, देन ए की जगह क्यू, बी किसके इक्वल है, सी के, बी की जगह सेकंड पोजीशन पे सी, एंड पी इज इक्वल टू पी मीन्स क्यू सी पी. देन वी हैव रेशियो ए बी बाय क्यू सी इज इक्वल टू बी पी बाय सी पी is equal to AP by PQ. AB by QC is equal to BP by CP and AP by PQ. Now in triangle AQD and AQD and PCQ, AQD and PCQ, this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to. Now we have angle AQD is equal to angle PQC, angle ADQ is equal to angle PCQ, and third angle DAQ is also equal to CPQ. Means triangle AQD is similar to triangle A is equal to P, Q is equal to Q, and D is equal to C, PQC. Now we have AQ by PQ is equal QD by QC is equal AD by PC. Now there are two equations and we have to find AB by BP is equal to DQ by AD. Now from these two equations we have DQ by QC is equal to AD by PC, then it is equal DQ by AD in the denominator and QC in the numerator, means QC by PC. Let it is equation 1. Now from the first proving we have AB by QC equal BP by CP equal AP by PQ. We find the value of QC by PC from here also. Value of QC by PC. Then we solve only these two ratio. We have AB by QC is equal BP by CP. Then QC in the numerator and BP in denominator, we have AB by BP equal QC by CP. Then value of AB by BP equal QC by CP, and QC by CP is already equal to DQ by AD from first equation. Then from first we have AB by BP equal value of QC by CP is DQ by AD. Now cross multiply, we have AB cross AD equal BP cross DQ. Then area of rectangle formed by AB and AD is equal to area of rectangle formed by BP and DQ. It is proved.